How to fix preparing automatic repair loop blue screen error on your Windows 10 or 11. If you're facing a problem of diagnosing PC or preparing automatic repair, then just wait for a few seconds and after that you will get a blue screen. Once you get a blue screen, you just need to simply go with the troubleshoot option. After going with the troubleshoot, you need to go with the advanced options and then go with the command prompt. Click on command prompt. Once you click on command prompt, it will ask you for your username and your password. So you just need to simply give your username and password, and after that, you will get the command prompt. Now, under your command prompt, you need to enter a command which is sfc space forward slash scan now. Once you hit the enter, it will start scanning your computer, and once it scans your computer, just wait for a few minutes. It will take a few minutes, like 3 to 5 minutes to complete the verification process. And once it scans your computer or your laptop, then you just need to go with continue on your blue screen and it will restart your computer. That's how you can fix preparing automatic repair loop blue screen error on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.